Conservative U.S. Supreme Court justices signaled on Monday they will back President Donald Trump's firing of a Federal Trade Commission member. This would give a historic boost to presidential power while also imperiling a 90-year-old legal precedent. Trump moved to dismiss Democratic FTC member Rebecca Slaughter in March before her term was set to expire. A lower court ruled the Republican president exceeded his authority by doing so. The Trump administration urged the High Court to overturn a Supreme Court precedent in a 1935 case called Humphrey's Executor versus the United States. It has limited presidential powers by protecting the heads of independent agencies from removal. But Chief Justice John Roberts suggested the precedent was a relic of the past, when the FTC was far less powerful than it is today.
Humphrey's executor is just a dried husk of whatever people used to think it was, because in the opinion itself, it described the powers of the agency it was talking about, and they're vanishingly insignificant, has nothing to do with what the FTC looks like today.
Other justices in the 6-3 conservative majority appeared sympathetic to the administration's arguments that tenure protections given by Congress to the heads of independent agencies unlawfully encroached on presidential power. But liberal Justice Elena Kagan said the court should not ignore the real-world realities of what its decisions do.
So the result of what you want is that the president is going to have massive, unchecked, uncontrolled power, not only to do traditional execution, but to make law through legislative and adjudicative frameworks.
Overturning or narrowing Humphrey's executor would bolster Trump's authority at a time when he already has been testing the constitutional limits of presidential powers in areas as diverse as immigration, tariffs, and domestic military deployments. The Supreme Court is expected to rule by the end of June.